For a carpet cleaning service above the rest, you need Heaven's Best. Heaven's Best Carpet Cleaning is a locally owned and fully operated service carpet cleaning company. Unlike most traditional carpet cleaning companies, Heaven's Best uses an eco-friendly, low-moisture carpet cleaning system. This means not only will our cleaning products be safe for your pets and children, but it will also allow your carpets to dry within 1 hour after cleaning. Heaven's Best also provides other cleaning service options, including rugs, upholstery, hardwood floors, and tile and grout. Your satisfaction is always our highest priority, and we are committed to providing you with carpet cleaning services that are professional, affordable, and safe for the whole family to enjoy.
If you're ready for the best rated carpet cleaning experience, give us a call today at Heaven's Best Carpet Cleaning.